is in a response to a question that I had about the Wayne generator. As far as voltage and frequency, you can see that in the video. And I was using Lincoln rods. These are E6011s, 1/8 by 1/4. And granted, this is only a 110 30 amp hobby welder, I guess you could call it. It's actually a very capable welder. And I'm probably not going to be able to pick this up with the tongs that I chose. So what I did is, I'm getting ready, pretty sure ready to move. And I'm getting rid of all my scrap. Amazing, isn't it? If I didn't want it, it would work just fine. So anyway, I welded these two dumbbell bars together, and I intentionally stuck the rod so you could check out the frequency and voltage changes. But they are extremely solid. And as far as the welder goes, and my rooster goes, this is the little welder that I bought for doing a lot of light duty stuff around the house. And as I said, it's a 110 30 amp, and I will tell you that it works flawlessly when plugged into this generator, a whole lot better than my house, which is a 200 amp, even on a 30 amp breaker. The generator is just, I've zero complaints. This is the heaviest thing that I've got around other than my water well pump, but that was just a huge inconvenience to hook up for the purpose of this video. So you can check out the voltage, the frequency, and again, 110, 30 amp, little welder. And these are probably, God, I should have gotten a different pair of tongs. It's actually very annoying that it won't pick these up. I'm gonna go get a different pair of tongs. Okay, so let's try the Mac Daddy pair. Yeah, that's a little better. So, as I said, it's just a quick weld here and here. I went through, I think, 5 rods, and I just wanted to respond to that subscriber. I think he's a subscriber. I could be wrong. But I wanted to respond to the question. And it's between this little Century welder, is there a model number on here? Inverta Arc 120. And it's got an adjustable amperage settings. 16th rod, 3/32, 1/8 inch. And I've used this for a lot of little things around, and I'm here to tell you that for a 110 welder, I'm extremely impressed. I should actually do a video on just the welder, but anyway, I've used this for a lot of light duty things so far, and zero complaints. But I just wanted to reply to that video. One of my pet peeves is people that make videos and put them on YouTube. I watch a lot of YouTube videos on various things, and I watch recommended videos and so on. And I'll see questions from 6, 8, 10, 12 months ago with 0 replies. And man, that just annoys me. If you're going to do a video, people want to know what's going on. They have questions about things you didn't think about while you were making the video. And man, you got to reply. You've got to reply. So anyway, the Wen 11,000 watt generator, this little Century welder, these Lincoln rods, and I really should do a video on my helmet as well. This is the L6700. It's very fast in dimming. It's the true color, and it's the wide view. Eastwood, they make some pretty good stuff. I really, really like this helmet. This replaced the helmet that I had probably up until 2 or 3 months ago. And I know they're kind of plastic, chintzy. There's no cool dragon head graphics on it or anything like that. But when it comes right down to it, you want to see when you're welding. And I'm very happy that I bought this. So you guys have a great night, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.